Welcome to a Monday at Nitro Crypto. We're going to start by looking at the Gaussian channel for BTC. This recording is being made after quite a while. We're taking some time to refine and develop our techniques at Nitro Crypto. We'll be briefly showing you the Nitro Crypto short and long signals. To start with, we're going to keep this brief, but we're going to look at the BTC signal on Deribit. That's the exchange we have picked at the very beginning, and I've stayed with that due to various reasons. Um, it's been with minimal glitches and so on, so we're going to stay with that. So here we can see, if you're wondering what this is about, this is a brief recap of the market situation. We're also going to cover some important signals which you possibly can leverage for your purpose. So let's begin by briefly looking at the BTC price action. You can see in Bitcoin today we are above actually we're above the mean band of the Gaussian channel. This is an indicator, a price indicator that you can load on TradingView like I've done, and we can see in the last what is it, three months, it's been pretty much actually since the last year, August, September, October almost now. So yeah, so 2 months we've been between the top side of the Gaussian channel and the mean. So it's been dancing right here. However, if we go back, let's see, if we go back to 2019, the previous time that we came out of a bear market, and in case some of you have been there, you remember how that was. There was a slow grind up, and once it went up, we started coming down. And then once it lost the mean band, you can see that it went all the way down and and tested the lower mean band. I mean the lower band, sorry, the lower band, the lower Gaussian channel, and then started going up again, and before coming down during the COVID crash. So this is most likely the area we are in. So history does not repeat, however, it does rhyme. So however corny that may sound, that actually is a fact. And as you can see, so we're looking at this kind of a price action. It might be compressed, it might be more elongated, and drive everyone to nuts. But then this is where we are at. Let's switch over to ETH for the same Gaussian channel, and we can see ETH actually has already lost the mean Gaussian channel, which means, yes, you guessed it right, we're going all the way down and testing the lower band, which currently stands at 1470, give or take 25. So most likely we'll be going to end. Let's do the same thing with ETH. Let's go back to 2019 because that's where we find a little bit of rhyming action. We see ETH came out of the bear market in 2018. For some reason, my trading view won't populate before 2019. Maybe that's when it was loaded on there. But anyway, so we can see that in 2019 it came here, and and after staying above the top side of the Gaussian channel, it came down, lost the mean band, just like we're doing now, and then went all the way down and tested below for maybe like a few days, 2 or 3, 4, 5 day candles, which means at least 2 or 3 weeks there. So this is 3 weeks of price action well below these two bands, and then finally we recover and go up and for a local high at that time. So this is something that we could expect. It's one of the possibilities. It's nothing that's set in stone in the world of cryptocurrency, as you must be well aware. But here's where we are at, and one likely scenario is that we keep heading down the slow grind down, um, kill all the longs, continue to squash them, and then finally, have one final wick right below this 1450 level. So that's one str strong possibility the way things are headed. Um, to compound this scenario, we see that the Dixie, that's the dollar index, is now well above, what is it, 106. It's right around 106, so well above the 105 support, and it's hovering there. So most likely we could have a still further upside momentum for the XY, which means that's all the stock markets, equity is always, including Bitcoin, of course, is probably headed downwards. Uh, now, all right, moving on to the Nitro Crypto indicator. This is the NC long and the NC short. This has been in the works for a while. about 3 years actually, and now we have refined this to a stage where we can see that these are now providing signals. This is actually a 30-minute chart. I could actually switch to the 1 hour chart, which will actually give you a little more zoomed out in a picture. These are 1 hour candles, and the aim is to actually to capture the volatility of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So depending on which of those futures you're interested in dabbling with. So coming to Bitcoin, you can see that there were a couple of NC long and NC short signals where it was chopping around here on Sunday in EST. Yep, this is the EST. So we have an NC short which we were in for a while, and if you had only one position open, then you would have ridden that short all the way down from what is it, 26.6, 20, yeah, 26 all the way to 26K, even that it tested earlier today, Monday, September 25th, EST. And then of course now it's recovered. We can see there's an NC long, which means we're currently riding the long. However, this is due any time to go either way, so which means we could actually see an NC short fire again, and then we would be in for a short. So considering the price action this week and what was just discussed with the Gaussian channel, it is quite likely that we start seeing further down action, downwards price action, which means an NC short. Looking at the same thing with Ethereum, this is again a 30-minute chart. Why don't we just look at that first before we go to the 1 hour candle? So here you can see that NC long has fired earlier today morning on Monday, September 25th, right around 1570 for ETH, and now we are riding the long, at least a good $30 upwards. So depending on your favorite exchange, your leverage, that translates to so much to this difference in price action and potential profits. Potential. Now, I have to state the disclaimer that this is not meant to be um, price predictions, not is it supposed to be financial advice. This is just me trying to analyze what I think of the market. It's my personal opinion, and then you do what you feel with it after your due diligence of research. So having said that, we can see that at 30-minute candles, we saw that we're fighting an NC long. Going back to the 1 hour, we can see that we are now still in the same NC long from further down. So about 1500. So yeah, so mid 1500. So most likely if we start seeing the downward price action, we probably will break this here and head further down. I don't know if I can draw here. I haven't practiced that too much yet, so probably we won't get into that. But yeah, I'll probably try to get that done in the next few videos. But for now, here's where we stand. So brief recap: we're here at the Gaussian channel for Bitcoin. We're testing it. The lower side of the I'm sorry, the mean Gaussian channel currently stands at 25.2. 25,250 to be accurate. The lower side of the Gaussian channel, the lower band, is at 22,320, way down. So if we were to have a wick and lose the mean Gaussian channel at 25K, expect 22.5 all the way down there. So that's a good $2,500 more of Bitcoin price action. Ethereum, we talked about, same thing. Ethereum already has lost the mean channel, and it's on its way to test the bottom side, which means most likely ETH is going to test 1470 or maybe a wick below to 1450 or thereabouts, which could be a potential a buying point if we have like a quick reversal. If not, expect another slow grind all the way through mid-October there. There's a 60-day cycle theory that we might cover in one of the upcoming videos, but for today that will be it. So thank you.